Hi, buddy.
Hi guys, today Sugar is going to show you how she packages her orders because she does help in the process of packing her own orders. Okay, go ahead. She has a hair order for two lace fronts. Okay, you got it?
I got it.
Yep. Go ahead. Pull it. There you go. Okay, go ahead.
Need to hold this?
And I'll help you put it in the bag. How about that?
This?
Turn it over. Turn it over. This way. This way.
This way? I'll do it.
Okay. There you go. Pull it. Cinch it, girl. Pull it tight. There you go. Okay, so you got two down. All right, we're going to move that over. She's going to give them something free. Also, we try to give something free with every order. So she's going to give them a free pair of eyelashes. And it's going to come with the tweezers and with the little spoolie to brush the eyelashes. There you go. Put the eyelashes in there.
Put it back.
Put the eyelashes in it. Put it in your baggie. You got it?
What tweezer for?
To put them on. Here. Okay, and give her a spoolie so she can brush her lashes, right?
It don't go in.
It do go in. Let's see. There you go. And then what do you do? How do you close this bag?
Do this.
Pull it, pull it.
Yay.
You got it? Okay, put it over there. So then what are you going to do? You're going to put her stuff in the box, right? So what do you do next?
Confetti.
Confetti. Go crazy, girl. Some more.
Yeah, confetti.
Yeah, give her some love in the box, right?
Yeah.
Put some more.
Yeah, confetti.
Okay, then what's next? Then what are you going to do?
Diamond.
No, not yet. You got to give her put her hair in it, right?
Yeah.
Okay, here you go.
Yeah.
Push it down in so it fits, right? Two. She got two. Okay, there you go. Don't want to be cheating your customers, right?
Okay.
Put that one in. And then look. Give her free gift. Right? There you go. Let's tighten her bags a little. And there you go. Put her free eyelashes in there, girl. Let me put them right here.
I'm on the diamond.
Okay. Then you can put the diamonds in it. No, you got to put the confetti in first, right? Put some more.
Confetti. Ah! Confetti.
Keep going. Throw it in the box, girl.
Confetti. Confetti.
Get a lot out. Yep, there you go. Put it in the box. Uh-oh. Sprinkle it all over. That's okay. Leave that.
Confetti. Confetti.
You like the confetti part?
Yeah.
Okay, keep going. You know what? Dump all of it in there. How about that?
Okay.
Dump all the love in the box. We can give her a bunch of love when she opens it up, right? There you go.
I did all of it.
And then what?
Diamond.
Diamonds.
Get the diamond.
Sprinkle it all around in there.
What?
There you go. You ready?
Yes.
Okay, so you're going to do what? Fold it over like this. Like that, right?
So, what should I do with it?
Yes. You get to put a sticker on it. How about that? You get to do your sticker.
Oh, we got another confetti.
That's okay. We don't need that one. She's going to be confetti to death.
In a cup.
And as soon as I get the sticker off.
What's that? Tie to it?
Yes.
I'm going to put the sticker.
You ready?
Sticker.
Put the sticker, look, right here. Right here, right here. Right there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. And then that's that for that, right?
What's it?
And then we can close up the box. Who's on the front of the box?
Me.
You. Yay. Oh, guess what we forgot?
What?
We forgot to give her the cards.
What's
You
it?
forgot something. You forgot to give her your card. Forgot to give her your card. The thank you card. And then on the back it tells her to tag you in the selfies because what? We love selfies, right?
Take the card in there.
Put the card in there.
I told him in the cards.
Put it right there. Look. We're going to give her one of your business cards, right?
I want to do it.
Give her a business card.
We got one more thing. We got one more thing.
What else? What else do we have? We don't have one more thing. That's it. Then look. Then we're going to what? Close the box. I'll help you close the box. Okay.
To the front.
Then what else? Then we're going to put your shipping tape on it, right? We're going to close the box up. We close it up, then we're going to put the sticker on it.
Yay.
So take the sponge, look, take the sponge and wipe it on the sticker.
Why?
Because it has to get wet, like this. Okay?
Why?
Wipe it all the way down. Wipe it, press it, press it, press it, girl.
What's it?
Press it, right here, press it. There you go. Now, then you're going to take the box, right?
Yeah.
And you're going to put it
I want to do it.
right there, right? Rub it, rub it, rub it, rub it. Okay? Then we're going to, yep. There you go. And then what else?
Confetti. Confetti.
We got confetti already.
No, the one.
Okay? So then you have your picture on the box. Look. We're going to cut the little ends of that off.
What's it?
Then, that's it, right?
No.
So you're done, right? Then we're going to do what? We're going to bring it to the post office so that we can ship off her package, right? You done?
Yes.
Tell everybody bye.
What's it?
Say bye.
Bye.